When the 5 year younger version of me asks, was it all worth it? I would say 1000%. I know, it's super expensive to get into BITS Pilani and all, but if you actually play your cards right, it can give you compounding results.
Hey, I'm Shomrat Datto, Bachelor of Engineering Economics and Computer Science undergrad from BITS Pilani, a full-time software developer at a top MNC, and I love making content on the side. And also I'm someone who has paid his own college fees. So let's get to the crux of the matter, where we'll discuss 6 reasons why you should work really hard for BITS Pilani. Now, we just not discuss the obvious reasons why, but also rather lesser known reasons which are a little hard to spot if you haven't gone through all these 5 years of struggle. Now, I know it's super expensive to study here in 2024, but if you wanna know how I studied here under 6 lakh, watch this video. Starting with the first obvious reason is zero reservation. Pretty self-explanatory. If everyone in the college has been deserving candidates, it improves the average quality of students on campus. And since everyone has worked equally hard for a seat here, the network effect plays a compounding role in self-growth. Before I go any further, I want you to take a notebook and make some points, because this video are a little intellectual and heavy stuff, and I don't want to dilute any information for the sake of views. Even if you forget to take some notes, so I have left a free cheat sheet in the description down below. Next, placements. Yes, due to recent recession, placements have taken a hit in any college, be it BITS Pilani, IITs, triple ITs, NITs. You get my point here, right? But if you look closely, you are going to get plays like 4 to 5 years down the line. So I'm really hoping that things improve by then. Otherwise, it's in the league of the top old IITs. And जो लोग ये बोलते हैं ना कि BITS Goa and BITS Hyderabad are not tier 1, only Pilanis. एक तो difference of median package is hardly 2 to 5 lakh across the campuses. And जितना package है ना BITS Goa and BITS Hyderabad CS average का, वो सुनकर तुम्हारा फट जाएगा. But it wouldn't be possible अगर seniors इतने supportive ना हो and juniors को guidance ना करे. Which brings me to my next point. Senior-junior bonding. I am 100% sure no other college has such a great senior-junior bonding, especially BITS Goa campus. I recently heard that there's a lot of colleges जहाँ पे there's this sir, ma'am वाला culture, which honestly sucks. सोचो ना, तुम्हें इज्जत फोर्स करके अटेंड करना पड़ रहा है, तो तुम ना उसको अंदर से वैल्यू कभी नहीं करोगे. बिट्स में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बिट्स में there's something called PMP, which is the peer mentorship program. जहाँ each student is allotted a dedicated senior जो उनको initial days पे mentor and guide करते हैं. This is absolutely brilliant, क्योंकि हम ना just JEE दिए हुए आते हैं, 4 दीवारों में बंद रहते हैं for years, तो बाहर का दुनिया कैसा होता है, we are totally confused. Obviously की बात है कि we are very touchy, sentimental and confused at this point of time. याद है मुझे अभी भी मैं इतना इंट्रोवर्ट था, बट मेरा मेंटर गार्गी जी ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया. फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कैंपस टुक अस टू द बोगमालो बीच और हमें ट्रीट भी दिया. तो ये होता है एक्चुअली a college culture. And if you're enjoying and learning something till now, support me by liking and subscribing, and let's change the status from being underrated to deserving. Back to the video. Next is zero attendance policy. सुनने में तो अच्छा लगता है, but 0% attendance policy is not 100% true. The better word is it's an illusion of choice. Professor surprise quizzes रख देते हैं ताकि तुम आने से मजबूर हो जाओ. But is it still better than the 75% compulsory attendance in most of the colleges? 100%. Ishan built his entire content empire from that tiny little 8-6 का room simply because zero attendance policy was there. Multiple examples है भाई. Mehul built Codedam and Harish built BlueLearn, Raj built Stoa. There's countless examples. Next is alumni network. Fun fact, the BITS and life actually extends even after you graduate. From BITS are helping people after relocating to their job locations to hosting monthly meetups so that the bonding stays alive. Not just that, we have something called BITS Pilani Alma Connect. There's 71,000 BITSians. Networking on another level, right? From getting updates about the upcoming events क्या है, to getting referrals from anyone out there. Alma Connect got it all. Startups. No rocket science here, right? Now, when I joined BITS Goa in 2018, the startup scenery wasn't the best, but over time it drastically improved with great leadership at SEL, followed by more support by the CIEEE. If you need numbers, these are the top 10 unicorn startups by BITSians in no particular order. And the list goes on and on, with so many people building their own in college itself. Last year, BITS Pilani set out a new rule, which allowed students and faculty to take a year off just to establish their own startups. Not just that, Pilani and Hyderabad campus has a TBI, which is the Technology Business Incubator. Goa has Birag Bionest as a startup incubators. Yes, IITs have more startups, but don't forget 2 simple reasons why. First, IIT was established in 1950. Pilani campus was in 1964. Second, there are 23 IITs, but there are only 3 BITS Pilani campuses. Let me share a personal story. I recently visited the Goa campus, and I know due to COVID, the great days were kind of missing. But just hear me out. I met Kanishk, who was the president of CSA, which is the Council of Student Affairs, who has been working night and day to revive the old culture of BITS Pilani Goa campus, the pre-pandemic era. And here wo dikh raha hai. We discussed how finally common rooms of hostels are getting ACs, and a proposal is set for a swimming pool and many more. Then I met Kisle, who's the academic head of ASCII, basically the computer science engineering department of BITS Goa. Now, they have been in talk with professors and are making active changes and deliberate changes to the curriculum to make it more modern, directed towards industry and improving the coding culture. Next, we will discuss the less obvious reasons why BITS Pilani Tech mattered so much, things that you only see after you have been through all the 5 years of college and finally can connect the dots. It's a very descriptive topic and I want to do justice to it. So stay tuned for the next part. Stay subscribed. Peace.